Hello and welcome everybody. Today I'll show you how to make unlimited free custom emails in Gmail. So here are some steps that I've written carefully to make your work easier. Just go through it once again after seeing this video. So let's dive in. So first you need to have a domain. You can get that from any website like GoDaddy and Hostinger. I'm using Hostinger. So you can see my domain and after that you have to go to a website called as Cloudflare. Click on this and then you have to sign up here. Click on sign up and then scroll down, and you'll see get started. Click on it and just sign up. So after signing up, you will be redirected to its home page, which will look something like this. So here you have to click on add a site and then you have to enter your domain. So enter your domain. So I've entered my email. So I've entered my domain, which is whimsicalpalace.store, and then click on continue. So after that, you will be shown three steps. You have to follow that. In first step, scroll down and then click on free and continue. So most of your purpose will be fulfilled by free plan. So in next step, scroll down, you will see these two texts. You have to assign this to your DNS name server. Just copy both of them and go to your domain, click on manage and find something like DNS/name server. And then you have to click on change name servers and change both of them. Copy and paste both of the text that will be shown to your DNS name server and click save. After that, in next step, you will be you will be shown something like this. Review your DNS records. You don't need to do anything here and just click on continue. So as you can see, I have copied both of the text already. Wait a second and just save it. So changes may take some time, but after doing that, click finish later, and then go to your home. You will be shown something like this. Your domain will be shown active. Click on it. Then on left side you will see an option email. Click on email, scroll down, and first you have to go to destination address. Click on it and, then click on add a destination address. Enter a domain, enter email where you want to receive all the mails that will be sent to your custom email. So I'm adding. After adding, you have to verify your email. So go to your email. A verification mail will be sent to you. Just click on verify email address. It will redirect to your Cloudflare website. It will show email verified success. So after that, refresh your Cloudflare. and then again go to email, then go to routing rules and click on create address. So here you are creating your custom email. So type there anything that you want in front of your domain, like I am uh, I am I am typing something like contact at the rate whimsicalpalace.store. And in action you have it will be already selected send to an email, and in destination you have a drop down menu will appear. You have to select your destination address, destination email which you have verified just now. After that click on save, and you will be shown something like this active. Let's try receiving an email on our custom email. So let's try it out. So I'm typing it contact at the rate whimsicalpalace.store, subject testing, type hello, send. So here we have received an email which is which was sent to our custom email. As you can see from as you can see two, which is our custom email. So yep, we are receiving mails in our custom email. So next I'll show you how to send an email using custom email. For that you have to click on setting, then click see all setting, and then go to account and import. Scroll down, you will see add another email. A pop-up will open. In name you can type there any name, and on email address you have to type your custom email which we have created just now. After doing that, next step, uh, in SMTP server you have to type there smtp.gmail.com, and username you have to type the mail in which you want your custom email to be added, and for password it's not any random password that you have to type. For password you have to go to again you have to go to your account, manage your Google account, then go to security. So here you need to have your two-step verification on. This is must. So make sure it's on. Then click on two-step verification. Scroll down, and at bottom you will see something like app password. Click on that and create new app password. Type there any name, it doesn't matter, and click on create. A pop-up will open showing you your password. Just copy that and save it somewhere. Type that password, then type that password here. Copy and paste it. And in port you have to select 587, and then click on add account. Then you will receive something like this: congratulations, confirm verification. So after that you will receive a confirmation email on your destination address. Go to your destination email, you will receive an email just and a link to verify it. Just click on that link, and which will open something like this, and click on confirm. It will be confirmed, and then go to your email in which you have added your custom email. So let's try it out. So click on compose, and in drop down menu from drop down menu you will see your custom email added. You can select that and you can send email to anyone using your custom email. So let's try it out. So I'm typing here hi. So as you can see, I've received an email. You can see from Harsh at the rate contact at the rate store, which means it's working. Our custom email is working now. So yeah, that's it.